What do you mean by membrane biogenesis? Membrane means layer, bio means living, genesis means synthesis. It is the process of formation of plasma membrane with the help of proteins and lipids synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is known as membrane biogenesis. We are studying about cell organelles. Why cell needs cell organelles? Because multicellular organism need lots of chemical activities like respiration, digestion, etc. to support their complicated structure and function. To keep these activities of different kind separate from each other, cell uses cell organelles with specific function within themselves. Now, the next organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, also known as Golgi body. In plants, it is known as, we have done earlier what it is known as? Yes, dictyosomes. In plants, Golgi bodies are known as dictyosomes. Golgi complex was first discovered and described by Camillo Golgi. He observed Golgi apparatus in the nerve cell of owl. It consists of flattened, smooth, membrane-bound, sac-like structure called cisternae. These are cisternae. The word cisternae we have done in endoplasmic reticulum, and here also flattened membrane-bound sac-like structures are called cisternae in Golgi body. And these are usually placed one above the other in stacks in parallel rows. Golgi complex are surrounded by vesicles. These are the vesicles which are discharged from the cisternae. You can see here that the vesicles, they are discharged from the cisternal membrane. What are vesicles? As you can notice, these are round structures, these are membrane bound, and these are formed from cisternae. So what we can conclude now, that the Golgi body, it is formed of flattened membrane bound sac like structure called cisternae and small vesicles which are formed by the cisternae. That Golgi body consists of cisternae and vesicles. Now, what is the difference between the cisternae of endoplasmic reticulum and cisternae of Golgi body? Can you notice something? Look here and in this diagram. Yes, in the cisternae of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on their outer surface. But in case of Golgi body, cisternae, they do not have ribosomes on their outer surface. Next part is function of Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Number 1, Golgi complex have connection with membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, therefore form complex cellular membrane system. You can see in this diagram, here it is the endoplasmic reticulum, here it is Golgi complex. Now it is not shown here clearly, but endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex, they have connections with each other. So that's why they form complex membrane system. Now the material which are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum, either by rough or by smooth, they are packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through Golgi apparatus. What does it mean? that the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, they send their material through vesicles to the Golgi body, and Golgi body again pack and dispatch the material inside the cell or outside the cell. Next, Golgi bodies store, modifies and packages the products in vesicle. Some products which are present in the cisternae, it modifies and it store for some time, then it pack those products in the form of vesicles. Complex sugars are made from simple sugars in the Golgi complex. Next, Golgi complex is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. This you will study later on. It is a secretory organelle of the cell. So in these simple terms, Golgi bodies are secretory organelle of the cell. They package material synthesized in the cell and transport these out of the cell. It is involved in the formation of lysosome. Fourth, it forms complex sugar from the simple sugar. Now we will start with the next organelle, that is lysosome. As you can see, these are oval in structure. So what are lysosomes? Lysosomes are membrane bound sacs which are filled with digestive enzymes which are synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So lysosomes are just sac-like structures which are filled with digestive enzyme, and these digestive enzymes are synthesized by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the function of lysozyme? Because it contains digestive enzyme. Number 1, lysosome form waste disposal system of the cell. Second, lysosome helps to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material like bacteria, virus or food, as well as old worn out cell organelles. So that's why it is known as the waste disposal system of the cell, because it digests the waste material like old worn out cell organelle or bacteria or waste products into the simpler forms. Third, during the disturbance in the cellular metabolism, like when cell get damaged either due to any microorganism or due to any default, lysosomes may burst and digest their own cell. So that's why they are known as suicidal bags of the cell. So which organelle is known as the suicidal bag of the cell? Lysosome. Because when the cell get damaged, lysosome burst and digest their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are known as suicidal bags of the cell. Next organelle is ribosome. It is not given in your NCERT, but you should know about ribosome. These are the smallest and membrane-less cell organelle which are synthesized by the nucleolus of the nucleus. What is the function of ribosomes? That these are the site of protein synthesis. That's why called protein factories. And you know, we have studied earlier that they are present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and there they synthesize proteins. Thank you everyone.